What's up, everybody? It's freezing cold, but I just wanted to make this video really quick to show you guys the symptoms of bad TCU or TCM in your VW Audi C5 platform. So if you have VCDS, that's going to be super helpful in like determining specific fault codes and pulling them from your auto trans or your tip. And the code that I'm getting is it's a Tiptronic recognition switch F189 short to ground, and the symptoms: it's stuck in park. Put it in reverse, stuck in park. It'll lock in neutral from going up, but it'll go down freely. While reading park on the dash, you can't get it into any other gear no matter what fuses you pull or anything. Then if you flip it over to your tip for just a sec, all this shit lights up. And so in order to check for any like water damage or corrosion, we're gonna have to take off this glove box and some of these panels because the TCU is actually located under this carpet. I know that a pretty common problem in these cars is if you leave it outside for whatever reason, without the battery cover or cowl or whatever under your hood, snow melt, ice, all that stuff can build up, and when it melts, that runoff is going to drip right down past your firewall and soak into your carpet, and that could end up totally fried your TCU. So in a video later, I'll show how to get access to that, take everything apart so you can get to it, and then how you could find the replacement for it. So if you're having these issues, use VCDS. Try to pull any auto trans codes. And if you get F189 transmission recognition switch short to ground, there's a really good chance that it's going to be your TCU shorted out, or your TCM, your transmission control module. So hopefully this helped.